Today I'll be showing us how to make oats pop-off. For those that are looking for healthy options when they want to eat, I think they can incorporate this oats pop-off into their diets. Personally speaking, I'm someone that loves pop-off, but I'm always concerned because I don't want too much of flour for my weight. So one thing first, after getting a cup of oats, then we can blend into powder. Especially when you have a very strong blender, then you can add 1.5 cup of flour. That's all-purpose flour. You can add sugar if you want, but I added onions and sugar. After doing this, I also added some yeast. That's 1 tablespoon of yeast, and I went on to adding my evaporated milk, but I would strongly recommend powdered milk anyways. Then, because I just wanted something different, I added paprika cinnamon powder. I added a pinch of salt and vanilla flavor. All this within the caption and in the comment section. Then I used a cup of warm water to mix everything together smoothly to make it fluffy. And then this really made things to be easier for me. So I mixed with this. You could use your hand if you are someone that loves it simple and easy, but because I didn't want to soil my hand, I used this egg wicks. So after doing this for a while, I kept it in the microwave after covering it with some Ziploc paper or nylon powder. So after doing this, I think I kept it for about an hour, if not more than that, in the microwave, and then it came out swollen up after about an hour, and this is the result we have. So I went on to make sure that the oil is heated up in a medium heat, and then after having that, I'll show you how to make sure that your pop-off come out round and bouncy. So I went on to the flour first of all to deflate the hair. So after deflating the hair, I'll show us how to make sure that we scoop the batter to make it round. So watch the space. So I went on to putting the batter in the warm oil until everything comes out poppy. So after being in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes, I turned it around to the other side to make sure that everything is fully done in all areas. And this is our oats pop-off ready to go down with any drink of your choice. So I scoop it into the net, then see what our oats pop-off looks like. I think the major difference is that you feel that oats inside it and it will be a bit hard, but I think it's worth it if you want to explore things. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.